Good morning everybody, class 5. Today I take your class, but in this class I discuss about your exam. Okay? First of all, I tell you that your syllabus is completed, totally completed. I take your subject literature, math, GK and grammar. So, literature, first term syllabus literature, chapter 1 to chapter 7. And among them, chapter 2 and chapter 5 are poems. And so, your work is, your task is, every chapter you have to read thoroughly. Any line I may give you in your exam. First of all, question answer. Second, meaning. Third, who said this and to whom. And exercise, that is I, words among I, words among E. जो exercise may have, that is the exercise contains the method of questions. I also give you the questions in your exam. And if you read the stories and poems thoroughly, I hope that you can answer easily. So, literature, in the subject literature, you have read thoroughly. You have to read thoroughly, each and every line. And the author's name and the poem's names, you must read. You must read the author's name and the poet's name. Okay? And next, I take your math. That is math. That is the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Playing with numbers. That is numeration, operation with large numbers, fractions, decimals, factors, and multiples. So I have done all the sums, small and big, all the sums in your class, online class. If you follow the classes, I hope that you can do it easily. So, and mental maths, chapter 1 to 4, that is worksheet 1 to 15. I have already completed all these chapters. Okay, and you have to practice all these sums thoroughly at your home. And this is the subject matters of maths. I have discussed about maths. And then I take your grammar class. Grammars means chapter 1 to chapter 7, that is sentence, nouns, more about nouns, that is gender, number, articles, pronouns, adjective, comparison of adjective, and essay letter also. Essay letter is not allotted, is not come in your, I have not given essay and letter in this exam, MCQ exam. So you have to learn all these chapters thoroughly. And suppose chota question, there is small question, that is what is called sentence, 4 options. जो options सही है, you also put a tick mark on it. Okay. How many kinds of adjectives? That is 2, 3, 4, 5. जो the number which is correct, you also put the right side. Okay. And then I take your GK class. And GK class, that is chapter 1 to chapter 18. Every chapter I give you, I learn you, I have taught you thoroughly, and question answer also, and it's a fill the blanks and etc. etc. So in this, if you follow your class thoroughly, I hope that you also give the answers correctly. Okay, this is the syllabus of your, I discuss about the syllabus of your exam. Now I come to your examination, that is routine. Examination time, there are 2 slots in your exam. 2 slots are selected in your first term exam. That is MCQ, that is first slot and second slot. First slot start 7:45 am. Our enter time, that is logging time, 7:45 am to 8:15 am. That is 30 minutes. 7:45 am to 8:15 am. And exam starts ends 9 am. That is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. And exam starts 7:45 am. Second slot starts logging time 11:45 am to 12:15 noon. Okay. And exam starts 11:45 and exam ends, that is you submit your question. If you do early, you submit, and exam ends at 1 p.m. Okay. That is first slot logging time 7:45 am to 8:15 am. Exam starts 7:45 am. Second slot logging time 11:45 am to 12:15 noon. And exam start 11:45 am. Okay. And I also request you, every student, if it is possible, please attend the first slot. Please appear in the first slot exam. Because if you face any problem in first slot, you will be appear in the second slot. You may be appear in the second slot. And if you first attempt second slot, if you have any problem, you cannot do the exam. Your exam is cancelled. So I request you to appear in the first slot. Okay. And now I verbally give you the routine. Then I show you the routine. First, the exam starts on 10th August. That is 10/8/21. That is Tuesday, English language. 11/8/21 Wednesday, English literature. 12/8/21 Tuesday, second language Hindi. जिसका हिंदी है हिंदी, जिसका बंगाली है हिंदी. 13/8/21 Friday, social studies. 14/8/21 Saturday, science. Sunday holiday, and then 16/8/21 Monday, math. 17/8/21 Tuesday, GK. 18/8/21 Wednesday, moral science. 19/8/21 Thursday, English grammar. And 20/8/21 Friday, computer. Okay. And 21/8/21 Saturday, third language, Hindi, Bengali. There is no SCPW exam in this first term. SCPW marks you will get based on the project work. Okay. And now later at the end of the class I will show you the routine. Now I discuss some sample questions. What type of questions in your exam is allotted. Now first of all I show you the question of literature. In this type of questions your MCQ has come. Choose the correct option and put a tick mark on it. Who was cleaning his little home? A rat, a mole, a rabbit, a water rat. That is a mole. Mole is correct answer, so we put the tick mark a mole. 2 number. How did the mole feel after coming outside? That is number A, excited. Number B, puzzled. Number C, tired. Number D, excited and joyful. That is correct answer is excited and joyful. You put the tick mark in D number. 3. From which book the story The River Bank is taken? Answer: David Copperfield, Jungle Book, Wind in the Willows, and none of these. That is correct answer, Wind in the Willows. So you put the tick mark, Wind in the Willows. Whose voices are heard on the green? The voices of birds, the voices of children, the voices of animals, all of these. So correct answer is the voices of children. So you will put the tick mark here on the B. 5. What kind of ruler Krishna Deva Raya was? A mischievous ruler. B, a dishonest ruler. C, a fine and powerful ruler. D, a kind-hearted ruler. Correct answer, Krishna Deva Raya was a fine and powerful ruler. So you put the tick mark. The C. What did Raman become one day? A musician, a famous poet, a playwright, a dancer. That is correct answer, a famous poet. Okay. Suppose in this type of questions your exam contains. Now math. The number which is neither prime nor composite is A 2, B 3, C 1, D 0, 1. So 1, you put the tick mark 1. 2. LCM of 4 and 5 is A 1, B 2, C 20, D 4, 20. That is, common factors of 18 and 22 are 2, 1 and 2, 3, 2 and 3. Correct answer is 1 and 2. So you put the tick mark B. The Hindu-Arabic numerals of the Roman numerals C1X is, C means Sunday, that means 10 के आगे 1, that means 9, 109, 99, 109, 199, 111, that is 109 is correct answer. So you put the mark on B. Okay, 5. The smallest whole number is 2013. 0. The smallest whole number is 0. 0 may you put the tick mark on 0. Okay. Grammar. How many kinds of sentences are there? 3, 6, 4, 5. Actually 4. 4 kinds of sentences are there. So you put the mark on 4. The plural number of the noun zoo is Z-O-O-E-S. Zoo is J-O-O-I-E-S. Z-O-O-S, Z-O-O-F-S, that is correct, Z-O-O-S. You put the tick mark here, C number. 3. The superlative degree of the adjective far is further, F-A-R-T-H-R, further, farthest, F-U-R-T-H-E-S-T, F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest, and most further. That is superlative degree of far is farthest, F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest, right. 4. A pack of dash, filling the which word, you put the choose the correct word and put here, that is correct. Thieves, tigers, kangaroos, cobras, that is kangaroos, a pack of kangaroos. Okay, so you put the tick mark C. 5. The singular form of octopi is octopus, octopies, octopis, octopies, octopis. Correct answer is octopus. That is, you put the tick mark on A. Okay, this is the question, sample questions of grammar. GK. Which mammal is famous for its large colonies? Here, black-tailed berry dog, orangutan, jaguar, black-tailed berry dog. Okay. Number 2. Which poisonous insect secretion can cause blisters on skin? Beaded lizard, pufferfish, inland taipan, the blister beetle. Correct answer is the blister beetle. So you put the mark here. Number 3. Dash invented Braille system of printing for the blind people. Answer. 4 options: Helen Keller, Stephen Hawking, Pankaj Advani, Louis Braille. So correct answer is Louis Braille. So you put here Louis Braille or correct. Put the tick mark here. 4. Dash is the national game of Bangladesh. That is cricket, hadudu, hockey, football. Correct answer is hadudu. So you put the tick mark here. So today I discuss in the class about your examination. First of all, I discuss your syllabus, about your syllabus and how you continue your studies, and next I give you your routine again discussed, and I show the routine in your class, and then I discuss some sample questions in the class, and which type of question has come, what type of questions. So in this procedure you have to appear in the exam, and remind it that all students I request to appear in the first slot. If you face any problem in the first slot, then you appear in the second slot. Okay, and I hope that you keep yourself healthy, safe and healthy, and you stay at home and maintain the rules of COVID, and I hope that one day this disease is vanished from our country and we will be safe. And today I hope that this is the last class before your exam, and I hope that I wish all you best in the exam. Thank you. Okay.